Hey Chasers, welcome back to the Stamp Chasers channel as we kick off our summer series adventuring around America. We've landed on the West Coast, specifically in the state of Washington, and have a tour and hotel review of a studio with king and sofa bed at Towne Place Suites by Marriott Tacoma Lakewood. The address is 11725 Pacific Hwy Southwest in Lakewood, Washington. In the lobby, there are plenty of options available for remote work, to hang out or dine with banquet seating, tables, chairs, and a sofa. Next to the flat screen is the hotel's computer area. Behind the partition wall in front of the reception area is an additional TV and 4 comfy chairs. Zooming into this sign or plaque, it shares many fun and local facts about Lakewood in the state of Washington. For example, did you know that Mount Rainier is the highest point in the state? Right off of the hotel check-in desk, there is a lobby market. In the fridge, there are plenty of drinks, sodas, juices, and waters, and there are a variety of chips, candy bars, and alcoholic beverages available to purchase. There's a local area map outside of the hotel's fitness center, and the fitness room is right across from the elevators in the lobby. So next, let's head upstairs to tour the One King Studio with sofa bed, room 229. I'll provide a quick view of the entry as you walk in, and this is the kitchenette space. We're going to spin around and get a look at the hooks that are available to hang our jackets or bags right behind the door. Now here's the door. Now let's take a look at the full kitchen area. There's the cabinets above the refrigerator, a microwave, sink, dishwasher, electric stovetop. Then you have the coffee maker and tea station. Here is our workstation with the desk and lamp and chair, the living and sitting space on the sofa bed. Here's the king bed, and the look at from the back of the television. We're going to go across the room and take a different look of the room on this side. We see the flat screen, again, the workstation, the sofa bed, artwork, and lamp. The curtains are slightly drawn, but we can get a glimpse of our view to the outside. Here's the sofa bed, an ottoman with a hard top so we can sit items on, the desk and chair, and in the bottom of the cabinets are where all the cookware are located, including pots and pans. Now, right across from the kitchen, we're going to check out the closet/pantry where there is hanging space for jackets, clothing items, and shelves, and there is also an area where we can store our food items as well. The iron and ironing board and the laundry basket is located on the floor. So we didn't get any footage, but there is a laundry room on site at this hotel. Next up is the 3-piece washroom. Here's the sink, commode, and a walk-in shower. And I must say, a glass shower stall is always a plus, and they do provide a shower mat. The bathroom is small, but it has nice modern finishes. Moreover, we enjoyed our stay. We were comfortable, and the space felt very cozy. It was like being home away from home. Overall, we highly recommend Towne Place Suites by Marriott Tacoma Lakewood. For extended and corporate stays, the hotel was kept clean and the staff was pleasant. We are optimistic this video provided some value and was informational for stamp chasers considering this hotel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and stay tuned for our first camping experience. Until the next time, chasers, many blessings and safe travels to wherever your travel plans take you.